Hello everyone, today I will be talking about bacteria and viruses. First, we will introduce what bacteria and viruses are. Bacteria are small single-celled organisms. They are found almost everywhere on Earth and are vital to the planet's ecosystems. Some species can live under extreme conditions of temperature and pressure. The human body is full of bacteria, and in fact, it is estimated to contain more bacterial cells than human cells. While a virus is an infectious microbe consisting of a segment of nucleic acid, it can be either DNA or RNA, which is surrounded by a protein coat. A virus cannot replicate alone. Instead, it must infect cells and use components of the host cell to make copies of itself. Now we will talk about the details, starting off with the structure. In bacteria, the cell wall forms a rigid structure of uniform thickness around the cell and is responsible for the characteristic shape of the cell. It can be rod, coccyx, or spiral. Inside the cell wall is the plasma membrane. This is usually closely opposed to the wall layer. On the other hand, the simplest virus consists of two basic components: nucleic acid, which can be single or double-stranded DNA or RNA, and a protein coat, the capsid, which functions as a shell to protect the viral gene from nucleases and which during infection attaches the virus to specific receptors exposed on the prospective host cell. Now moving on to the size. The bacterial cells generally have a size range of 1 to 10 micrometers. For example, mycoplasms, which are the smallest known bacteria, have a size range of 0.1 to 1 micrometer. Escherichia coli, bacteria found in the human intestines, have a size range of 1 to 2 micrometers. Viruses, on the other hand, vary in diameter from 20 nanometers to 250 to 400 nanometers. The largest, however, measure about 500 nanometers in diameter and are about 700 to 1000 nanometer in length. Only the largest and most complex virus can be seen under the light microscope at the highest resolution. As for the shape, bacteria are classified into 5 groups according to their basic shapes, which are spherical, rod, spiral, comma, or corkscrew. They can exist as single cells, in pair, chains, or clusters. While virus capsids are predominantly one of the two shapes, helici or icosahedral, although a few viruses have a complex architecture. In addition, some viruses also have a lipid membrane envelope derived from the cell. All helici animal viruses are enveloped. Some ways you can get a bacterial infection is by a cut on your skin, eating or drinking contaminated food or water, breathing in droplets from an infected person, touching dirty surfaces, then touching your eyes, nose, or mouth. And some ways you can get a viral infection is by swallowing or inhaling them, by being bitten by insects, through physical contacts, or congenitally, which means being passed on by a pregnant person to the fetus. Most commonly, viral infections involve the nose, throat, and upper airways or systems such as the nervous and reproductive systems. Some of the most common bacterial diseases are pneumonia, urinary tract infections, magnetitis, wound infections, tuberculosis, and diarrhea. Diarrhea is the second leading cause of death in children under 5 worldwide, killing over 500,000 children of this age globally each year. And some of the most common viral diseases include chickenpox, herpes, influenza, AIDS, and viral hepatitis. Thank you so much for listening and watching. I hope this video helped you.